All right, now that we're done cooling down, working out, whatever you got for your day, it's time to drink some beer. Let's do it. Ah, yeah. So this is the Unity Hoppy Pilsner I got from Boomtown. I was in LA last month. This is done by the entire Brewers Guild. 5.6 ABV. It's a hopped up Pilsner with Pink Vista and Citra hops. Cool collaboration project. Boomtown hosted the Brewers Guild this year, and so they were the ones that got to can it. Typical Boomtown style, kind of graffiti-esque. It's got the logo, reminds me a little bit of the, when they do the Krylon spray can series. Oh yeah. It's a couple months old, so it's not at its freshest, but it's kept in the fridge the whole time. Getting a little of that tropical fruit you get, mango, maybe a little pink grapefruit coming off that Citra hop there. Really crisp, really clear, clean. A little of the crackery thing from the Pilsner malt they're using there. But the hops are in charge here. It's not bitter. Refreshing. Yeah, I definitely would drink another one. I'm sure it was badass when it just came out. Whatever that was back in the summer. But glad to have it. Glad to support the old guys from Boomtown. I'm going to be drinking. Catch you next time.